Bless Squad, what's going on with y'all, man? It's your boy, Blessed Applesauce, here to bless y'all with another video here on Blessed to Invest. And today I want to talk about ThinkorSwim and why everyone should get on this platform and why this should be the first platform that you use if you are an active trader looking to day trade, swing trade, or just looking to get into investing in general. But before we get into it, make sure you spam the like button, and also sub down below for more content like this. But for people that are trying to figure out, okay, what broker should I use? What is the best broker? I recommend ThinkorSwim. And there's a couple of reasons why I recommend ThinkorSwim. ThinkorSwim has one of the best charting platforms of all time. And for people that are beginners are trying to probably figure out what is the charting platform, it's what we're looking at right now. ThinkorSwim has a very detailed chart where you can see how price is moving, how candles are moving up and down. These are the green candles here that show price going up. The red candles here are showing price going down. And the ability to see that data is better than any other platform that you're going to find on the market. If you're looking at Robinhood, they have very simple line charts. You can kind of see what's going on, but you're not able to get scrolling and get the second by second detail. With ThinkorSwim, you can do a 1 minute chart where you're really able to zoom in and see what's happening every single minute of the day. If you want to do a daily chart, you can move it up to, let's do a 4 hour. You can see what's happening every 4 hours. You could do every day. You could do every week. And what this allows you to do when you're able to see every second of what's going on, it allows you to get better detail on when to place these trades. For example, if you're on Robinhood and you're looking at their standard charts, they have a 1 minute chart where you can kind of see what's going on. This is a perfect example. Let's say you have Robinhood, you can kind of see the overall direction of it, but you're missing these minor moves. You would miss basic moves where you notice that it bounced off this key support level here. Right here, bounced off this key level. So you could have been able to take this trade, boom, boom, because it bounced 3 times right here. On Robinhood or other platforms, it's going to be harder for you to identify where those key levels are and to pick up patterns. And in this game, it's going to be very important to understand where the patterns are taking place. So if you have a charting platform that's not giving you the ability to pick up patterns, it's not going to be as effective as it would be if you have a charting platform like this. Another thing with ThinkorSwim, it has a lot of features that you're able to grow into. So as a beginner, you're probably going to be figuring out, okay, I just need my chart. I just need to understand what the price is for this particular stock. And you're going to be good because you're just learning the basics, just trying to figure out what the candles are. You're probably just going to try to read what candles are, because that is one of the first things beginners learn, just how to read candles, how to read how the price is going up, how the price is going down. But this platform is able to grow with you when you learn a lot of the different features that comes with it, and you're able to customize it to how you like it. If you don't like a black chart in the background, you can change it to a white chart. If you want your time and sales, or you want your buy and sell buttons on the side or up top or wherever you like them, you can do that. A lot of other platforms don't offer the custom ability that ThinkorSwim does. I've tried a lot of them. This is still one of the best, even though this is one of my first platforms I've been on. I've looked at a lot of different trading platforms, and nobody is able to customize your system the way ThinkorSwim is. Even today, when I'm trading on other platforms, I still have ThinkorSwim charting and design on the side because it's just very simple to get through the charting and all the features that comes with it. One thing that is really cool, even if you don't use it as a main platform like I do, this detach feature is really cool. How you're just able to take a chart, very simple chart, make it small, and then let's say you have your main broker. Let's say you're trading on Centerpoint Securities or CMEG. You can continue to use ThinkorSwim on the side if you want to just take a look at the chart and say, okay, boom, let's look at AMD, or let's look at the SPY, and say, okay, cool, this looks nice on the day, and then you can continue to work on the side with your other broker. A lot of brokers don't offer that. They usually want you to have the main broker there, and it's really hard for you to move other screens around. I've tried Fidelity, I've tried E-Trade, I've tried a lot of these platforms. They don't offer the flexibility to choose where you want your charts, even when you have other programs running in the background. So that's one plus about ThinkorSwim. Another thing that I like is the scan. It has a sample of really everything you need. You don't need to go anywhere else other than ThinkorSwim for the information you need. It has your scanning tool if you're looking for a particular stock. It has the news that you may need if you want to research a particular company, if you want to look at the live news that happened today. So that's the handful of reasons why I like ThinkorSwim. It is an all-around broker that has all the information you need. A lot of these brokers have some of the information they may be missing in some ways. I'm thinking more like a Robinhood or a Webull, where it's more simplified, where it's missing a lot of the data. But with ThinkorSwim, it has all the information you need, and it also has the flexibility and you can customize it to the way that you like, unlike a lot of these professional brokers. And that's why I think you should try ThinkorSwim as your first platform. But if you have any questions, if you want to figure out how to use ThinkorSwim, I also did a couple of tutorials on how ThinkorSwim works. If you can get a basic tutorial of how to put your support and resistance lines up, or if you're looking to do indicators, or you're just trying to figure out how to understand the chart patterns and the candles, I have videos for those as well if you want to go check those out. But for today, it's going to wrap it up. It's been your boy, Blessed Applesauce. Stay blessed, and I'm going to see you next time on Blessed to Invest.
Just to see tomorrow is a blessing. Stay prayed up is the message. Everything about a nigga blessed.